So hi everyone, welcome back to Placements Ready. In this video we will be solving the problem longest k unique character substring. So we are given a string, you need to print the size of the longest possible substring that has exactly k unique characters. Cool. If there is no possible substring, then print -1. So for example, in this s, okay, if we get all the substrings, the longest substring which has 3 unique characters is going to be this, and this is having a length of 7, so our output is 7. Okay, similarly for this string there is no substring that has k unique character, which is equal to 2 unique characters, so our output is going to be -1. Now we need to give the solution in expected time complexity of order of length of string, and similarly the auxiliary space required is order of length of string. So let's discuss this problem in more detail. Now what can be the brute force approach to this solution is that, let's say we are given a string, let's say this. Okay, we can generate all the possible substrings out of this, and what we can do, we can count the number of unique characters in each of the substrings and get the answer. Okay, but generating all the substring is itself a order of length of s cube time. Okay, let's say you will be having a map, and for each of the substrings you will be updating the map, so that will be again order of length of s. So our brute force approach will be around this. Okay, but we need to optimize the solution, so let's see the optimal solution as well. So here our string is this. Okay, now let's say what we can do here, we can have a map, because we need to have a count. Okay, in order to get that k unique character substring. So we will be having a map. Map is of type char comma int, because for each of the character we need to have a count. So let's say we will be doing a iteration. Okay, so what we can do here, we can simply store in the map. Okay, now similarly our map will look like, so our k is 3. Okay, so map is going to have count of a as 1. Okay, and we will be having two variables, so it's also a two pointer technique. So initially I will be pointing at 0 and j will be pointing at 0. Okay, so a initially will be 1 at this place, then we will visit this place, a will be 2. Okay, then we will be having, then I will be at this index, b will be 1, then a again 3, c is 1 here. Okay, and as soon as we hit the map size equal to k, we can store our answer. Okay, so answer will be nothing but max of I minus j plus 1. Okay, and j is pointing at 0th index first, and I is here, I is at 4th index. Now again b will be here, and we are having map dot size is equal to k. So what we can do, we can update our answer, so our answer will become 6. Okay, now we hit a unique character. Okay, so we will be updating the map, so map will be updated. But now what will happen, since our map dot size has exceeded k, so what we will be doing, we will be decrementing the count of a in each of the step. Okay, so let's say if our map dot size is greater than k, what we can do, we can remove this character which is present at the jth index. So m of s of j minus minus, and as soon as the count of this character is reduced to 0, we can remove this character from the map. So let's say if a has become 0, we can remove that character. Okay, so for that we can write a condition, if m of s of j is equal to 0, we can simply erase from the map. And since we have exceeded the value of k, okay, we can increment j. So j will be incremented to the other position. So let's say j was at 0th index, j will be here now. J will be at 1th index. And now again our map dot size will be k in the next iteration. So let's see how it will behave. So now we are at b. We can update the count of b as 3. Okay. And j will be at 1th index. So this index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus 1 plus 1. So our answer will be updated to 7. Now again we are at E. We will update the count of E to 2. Our I will be at 8th index, and we can similarly decrement the count, and we can increment the value of j. So j will be at 2. Again our answer will be 8 minus 2 plus 1, uh, which is nothing but 7. Again I will be at b. Okay, so we can update the count of b to 4. Okay, and again we will keep incrementing the j because our map dot size is greater than k. So we will be having j here. So j will be at 3rd index and I will be at 9th index. So again our answer is going to be 7. Now we will be having our I at e, and we can reduce I from here, and we can increment j from here. Okay, and similarly now j will be at 4th index. So okay, and our answer will be going to be 7. So at the end our answer is going to be 7. And this step, we have used a map, and the maximum length of map can be order of s. Why? Let's say all the characters in the map are unique. Let's say a b c d e f. So in this case map will be storing a size of length of a string. Okay, and so our space complexity is going to be order of length of s. And similarly, since we are iterating on this string only once, so our time complexity is also going to be order of length of s. So I hope you have got the solution. Let's see the implementation. So here we have initialized our answer to -1, because in the end if we are not able to find the answer, we have to return -1 only. Now I have taken an unordered map because it is space efficient. Our j will be at 0 and our I will start iterating on the string. So for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus, we will increment that count of that character in the map. And if our map dot size is equal to k, what we can do, we can simply update our answer. Okay, that we were doing at each and every step. Now if our map dot size has exceeded the length of k, what we can do, we can decrement that character. Why we need to decrement that character? Because we are doing possibly a research like whether we can have a answer in the later part of it or not. So that's why we are doing this. And if that character's count has gone to 0, we can simply remove that character from our map, and we can increment our value of j, because we are now finding that substring in the right part. Okay, so we need to take that characters, and simply when this will be done, we will be simply returning our answer. So I hope you have understood the concept, and if you have understood, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So let's meet in another problem of the day video, where we will be discuss solution to again an interesting set of problems. And yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching.